Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the back exercise of chapter 4, The Champion. In today's class we will do part A and part D. Okay? And this you have to fill in your book. Part B and C we will do in our next class. So let's get started. In this you have to tick the correct option. A sentence of the story says they were in the first place and they could feel the medals around their necks. What does this mean? So what does this mean? When there is a sentence, this sentence is in the story. Okay, if you have read the chapter you will know that this sentence is there in the story. So what does that mean? You have to tell the meaning. First is Ricky could feel the weight of the medal hanging from his neck. The medal on Ricky's neck was bothering him. Third, Ricky's team was close to winning the medal and he imagined themselves wearing it. So option number 3 is correct because Ricky's team they were in first place in all the activities. So Ricky thought that his team is going to win this competition and he imagined themselves wearing the medals. So you have to tick option 3, third part, because it is correct. Question number 2. Who won the challenge? Ricky, Priya, both of them. Right answer is Priya because she won the challenge. Okay. She continued hula hooping for the maximum time. So she won the challenge. Who gave out the medals? First Mrs. Tannu, second Mrs. Ranu, third Mrs. Annu. So the right answer is Mrs. Tannu. She gave out the medals. You can see here it is written Mrs. Tannu gave them the medals. Okay. How did Ricky wear his second place medal? First option is with anger, second is with pride, third is with smile. So Ricky got the second place and he wear his medal with pride. So the correct answer is third. Here it is written, look. Ricky wore his second place medal with pride. So you have to tick the correct option, that is with pride. Okay. तो आपको जो है पार्ट ए में पूछा गया है कि ये जो सेंटेंस है जो स्टोरी में है, ठीक है, इसका मीनिंग क्या है असली. तो इसका असली मीनिंग ये है कि दे वर इन फर्स्ट प्लेस एंड दे कुड फील द मेडल अराउंड देयर नेक. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? मीनिंग ये है कि रिक्की जो है वो सभी एक्टिविटीज़ में फर्स्ट आ रहा था अभी तक उनकी टीम. तो रिक्की को लगा कि वो जीतने के बहुत करीब है और उसने अपने आप को इमेजिन किया, सोचा कि वो मेडल पहने हुए है. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन थर्ड है. हु वॉन द चैलेंज? चैलेंज कौन जीता? चैलेंज प्रिया जीती क्योंकि रिक्की और उसके जो दोनों टीममेट्स हैं उन्होंने हुला हुप गिरा दिया था. हु गेव आउट द मेडल्स? मेडल्स किसने दिए? मिसेस तन्नू ने जो है मेडल्स दिए बच्चों को जो फर्स्ट आए थे. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो लिखा भी हुआ है कि मिसेस तन्नू गेव देम द मेडल्स. फोर्थ है कि हाउ डिड रिक्की वियर हिज सेकेंड प्लेस मेडल? तो रिक्की ने अपने सेकेंड प्लेस पे आया, वो सेकेंड आया, तो उसने कैसे पहना? उसने गर्व के साथ पहना, तो विथ प्राइड. यहाँ लिखा भी हुआ है सेकेंड प्लेस मेडल विथ प्राइड. रिक्की वोर हिज सेकेंड प्लेस मेडल विथ प्राइड. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सेकेंड. ओके. Now part D. Fill the missing letter to create words from the story. So in this you have to make the words and some from this missing letters, and these words you have read in the story. Okay. So clue is also given. Question number 1. Clue is rubber bag that is filled with air or water. So it is a kind of rubber bag which is filled with air or water. So can you guess? Yes, it's a balloon. BALLOON. BALLOON, बलून। तो इसमें बताना है कि रबड़ बैग जिसमें पानी या हवा भरते हैं, तो पानी और हवा किस में भरते हैं? बलून में, तो बलून लिखना आपको। सेकेंड इज लार्ज प्लास्टिक टॉय रिंग। सो लार्ज प्लास्टिक टॉय रिंग, सो वी हैव रेड about a ring which is circular. What is it called? Yes, it is called a hula hoop. So you have to write hula hoop. Okay? तो ये सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है कि आपको बताना है कि एक लार्ज प्लास्टिक टॉय रिंग कौन सी है, जो हमने स्टोरी में भी पढ़ा है, सर्कुलर कलर का। क्या था वो था hula hoop. Third, became wider. So what we call it? Widened. We have read this word in the story. Widened. WIDENED. तो कोई चीज़ ऐसे बड़ी बड़ी हो जाती है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? वाइडेंड। ठीक है, जो हमने स्टोरी में भी पढ़ा है। कॉपीड। फोर्थ इज कॉपीड। कॉपीड मीन्स इमिटेटेड। ओके, इमिटेटेड means copied. So here copied is given, so you have to write imitated. Imitated means to copy somebody's action. Imitate करने का मतलब है कि किसी के एक्शन को कॉपी करना। ठीक है। फिफ्थ इज complained or showed unhappiness. So what will we write in this? We will write grumbled. Grumbled also means to complain in a murmuring वॉइस। ओके, मर्मरिंग साउंड। सो कंप्लेन करना या अपनी जो है नाराज़गी दिखाना, अनहैप्पीनेस दिखाना, उसको क्या कहते हैं? ग्रम्बल्ड कहते हैं। ग्रम्बल्ड का मतलब आप जब किसी से शिकायत लगाते हो और वो भी धीमी धीमी आवाज़ में, ठीक है, बड़बड़ाते हो, तो उसको ग्रम्बल्ड बोलते हैं। फोर्थ इज compete against. Compete against, answer is battled. Battled means fight. So in this story they were battling against each other. They were in a battle. Okay, battle means they were competing against each other. So you have to write battle. Okay, so part D. In today's class we have done part A and part D. So fill this in your book. Okay, and in next class we will do question answer, that is part B and part C. Thank you so much. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.